Alright guys, in today's video we're going to try a breakfast casserole. This is a blueberry French toast casserole. It is a family recipe, guys. About 5 years ago I went on this little family reunion and we met at a beach house. And somebody in the family, my niece, brought a blueberry French toast casserole. It was amazing. It was so good. I'd never made this before, but it's my first time actually making it, but I got the recipe from her. And I still kept it over the years, and I want to try it for you guys. I think it makes a lot. So what you need to do first is butter a casserole pan. I'm gonna do that in a second. So I have some butter right here. And then you're gonna need 12 slices. They say day-old bread, but at the time my sister was gluten-free. I think she still is, and she got this. This is what she got, and I really love the bread in this casserole. It's the UD's gluten-free soft white bread. And she used that, and I thought it just tasted so good in the casserole. I really liked it. We're going to be cutting up 12 slices, or the whole loaf, really. The whole loaf of bread after I butter it and put it on there, and I'll show you what that looks like afterwards. All right, I have some butter right here. I'm just going to butter the pan just a little bit, just enough to get it like lightly buttered, you know. All right, so right now you're just going to put like half the bread. Make sure it's cubed up in little pieces. Only half of the bread. And then after you do that, you're going to actually cut up some cream cheese. I'll show you how to do that. All right, that's about half the bread. Now I'm going to go ahead. You're going to need 4 of these 8 ounces of cream cheese. If you can find soft, get that. Otherwise, you're going to cut them in cubes and then you're going to put them on the bread. I have some cream cheese cubed up. You're just going to put it on top of the bread. So I'm going to make a few changes with this recipe. So, you know I said that you needed 4 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. I was like, wow, that's a lot. Right here, this is a lot. So right here, this is about 2 8-ounces of cream cheese. And I'm thinking if I add any more cream cheese, that would just be so much cream cheese. So I think it really is 2 packets of 8 ounces. So that's what we're gonna do. So the next step is to add the remaining of the breadcrumbs. That's what we're gonna do. I thought this pan, this is a 3-quart casserole pan. I thought this might be too big, but now I think it's perfect. It's gonna make a lot. So it's like, there's another thing for single people. What do you do with leftovers? I don't know if I can freeze this or not. Maybe. But I remember when I had this, it was really nice. I was eating this breakfast casserole, and we were at a beach house, and I had the perfect view of the beach. It was very beautiful and very nice. And I was thinking, this was so good. This would be great for a breakfast. It would be great for a dessert. Great for dinner, because it has a lot of protein, and because of the cream cheese, you know, protein for there. It has. Also, guys, I'll be adding a dozen eggs. That's probably going to be the next step. I have to check. I think that's the next step, adding the dozen eggs. So a lot of protein to this dish. You can make it gluten-free by getting gluten-free bread. And this is making a lot, guys. All right, guys, I didn't film the part, but I did beat 12 eggs. You're supposed to add 1 cup of milk and a 1/3 cup of maple syrup. And then after that, you're just going to pour it over the bread cheese mixture. I'm going to do that right now. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover with foil and bake it at 350 for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, you can remove the foil and bake it for another 30 minutes or until golden brown. There's also a sauce we have to add after it bakes, but I'll do that later. We have another 15 more minutes for the blueberry French toast casserole to be done. So we're gonna start on the topping mixture, guys. So what you need is get a small pan, mix 1 cup of sugar. And you'll need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You'll need 1 cup of water. All right, next you're gonna bring to a boil, probably about 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. All right, now you're gonna stir in the blueberries, about 1 cup. All right, just stir in the blueberries and you're gonna simmer for 8 to 10 minutes until the blueberries start to burst. All right, it's been about 10-15 minutes. It took a while for the blueberries to burst, but you can see the color is changing. It's more like a blue color, so they are burst. Now, the last part of the topping is to add 1 tablespoon of butter and mix it. All right, I just added 1 tablespoon of butter. Just gonna mix it. As you can see, the sauce is getting thick. The color is amazing. That's what it's supposed to be like. And the casserole is done. I checked it. All I have to do is add this topping. It'll be done. Like I said, guys, this is great for dessert too. A lot of times I come home, like last night I came home from work and I was craving ice cream, so I got a little bit of ice cream. But yeah, this would be really great for dessert. All right, I just took out the French toast casserole. Now you're just gonna add this amazing blueberry mixture all over the casserole. All right, here's my blueberry French toast casserole. Looks amazing. So guys, I can't freaking believe it. I made this amazing blueberry French toast casserole. It took hours to make, and it freaking just fell on the freaking ground. I can't believe. I'm still gonna do a video, but just so you know, this sucks. I can't believe I spilled all the blueberries, and that was the best part. I mean, the blueberry sauce did sink through a little bit. I don't think there's any blueberries in here, but I'm still gonna do the video because I don't want to waste hours of footage, you know. But I have some leftover blueberry sauce in this pan. I'm just gonna add some. Eat this part or something. Put it on this part where I'll eat this part. Can't you believe that? And we're having some coffee to drink. It's 12:30. It's my first meal I ate today. Let's try it out. Oh, guys. Crazy, right? I can't believe it. It's good though. This meal is kind of expensive for one person, but I wanted to do a special video for you guys. I wanted to show you a family tradition recipe. So I'm filming in my backyard today, and I decided to film on this side. So I'm facing this way and not facing the street, so I think less people would see me, and it might be making me a little more comfortable and not so anxious filming in front of people. I did overcook it a little bit, I think. The bread's really crunchy and crusty. See, I was trying to make the sauce. It was taking a while to make, so that's why I just left it in the oven for a few extra minutes, but I think it's a little bit too done. Hope you guys are gonna have a good day today. I have today off. I was supposed to go to this, like, at my work, my day job. They wanted to do like this bowling event Okay, I was like, okay, cool. I'll request a day off. Maybe I'll go to San Francisco in the day and do that in the evening. Obviously, I can't go to San Francisco because we're still in lockdown in California. So I was like, so I have to stay off. I requested months ago. So tonight is Saturday. So I think what I'm going to do tonight, since I have it off, I'm really craving tacos. I got this like taco mix, like this Taco Bell with the shells and the sauce at grocery outlet for 99 cents. I think I want to do a video on that tonight. We'll see. And guys, this looks very presentable. Still make the recipe. It's really good. It's really good. I decided to add a little bit of maple syrup. It's something. You know what I think I'm going to do? I think I still want to upload this video as a mukbang video, but I think I'm going to do a recipe video as well. So I have great pictures and videos, how it came out, just not the eating part. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah. There's no blueberries in here. Darn. So lately, guys, when I cook and something doesn't go right, something falls, or like just the setup isn't right, I just usually start getting really angry and cussing and yelling. But when the blueberry thing literally fell on the floor, I'm looking at it right now, I don't know why, I didn't get that mad. I was like, whatever, just is how it is. And normally I would be like just going crazy and screaming and yelling, God damn it, like that, you know. But I'm having a lot of thoughts in my mind, like a lot of just random thoughts. And today I meditated for like, I did 2 10-minute clear your mind meditations I found on YouTube. And after I did that, my mind felt really calm and I felt really good. So that maybe that has something to do with it. But it was nice to do some meditation and help clear my mind. I don't know if I should go to grocery outlet today or Safeway. So I make tacos tonight. I want avocado. But grocery outlet doesn't have fresh avocados. It's like they have it only in a bag. I think they have it fresh, but it won't be. I don't think it'll be ready. Sorry about the bird. It's so loud. But yeah, I'm craving tacos tonight. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great Saturday. Well, today's Saturday. Now I might post this on Monday, actually. So I'm super excited. My brother is going to, I'm encouraging him to do more videos on his channel. A lot of people ask him about his videos. He hasn't really posted a lot, but I think he'll be posting a lot more. So he wanted an intro that says Kevin's Kitchen, since that's all his videos are in the kitchen, and he thought it'd be a really good title or a good intro. And it's a great website. You know, years ago I could get like an intro for $5, but they raised it. Maybe 10 or 15 is the cheapest. You might find one for $5 if you're lucky. Some intros on YouTube they're going for like $100. But I found one for 15 that's kind of simple that he liked. So in 3 days it'll be ready. And we're gonna do a collab soon, like a virtual collab like I did with Caden. We're just gonna like make something. He mentioned spaghetti or tacos. I don't know. We're gonna make something, you know, similar. And I give him a shout out. So I hope you guys can follow his videos and channel. I will leave his channel in the description down below. You can check it out. Basically, he doesn't really know how to edit very well, and he does everything on his phone. So it's basically just like one cut, just one clip of whatever he's making. Yeah, I love this breakfast video. He did 30 minutes of making breakfast, literally no cuts. So this is really cool. It's really cool. Well guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Sorry it wasn't the best video, but what do you do, right? Things happen. Alright guys, have a great day. See you next video. Peace.